Alright, here's the randomization for break 185. We got Travis on top, Chris on bottom. I'm going to start the NFC teams first. Copy these guys over. Cardinals on top, Redskins on bottom, 5 or greater. 2's not good. 8. Final round for an NFC. Packers on top, Giants on bottom. Copy this over here. Alright, do the AFC teams next. Ravens on top, Titans bottom, 5 or greater again. 3's no good. 3's no good again. 6. Final round for AFC. Dolphins on top, Jets on bottom. There's your final list. Alright, good luck everyone.